Are you tired of worrying about your cargo shifting or coming loose during transport? The CURT Weld-On D-ring tie-down anchor offers a reliable solution for securing heavy loads on flatbed trailers and trucks. Designed for strength and versatility, this anchor gives you peace of mind every time you hit the road. I recently needed a solid tie-down anchor for a last-minute job, and this D-ring delivered exactly what I needed. Its forged steel construction feels incredibly sturdy, and the 5-inch by 5-inch opening easily accommodates ropes, ratchet straps, and chains. The Weld-On design means it creates a permanent, rock-solid anchor point on your trailer or truck bed. Plus, the raw steel finish made it ready to weld right out of the package, no extra prep work required. What really stands out is the anchor's heavy-duty capacity of 46,760 pounds. That's more than enough strength for demanding commercial or industrial hauling. The Weld-On bracket itself measures 2-1/4 by 2-1/8 by 1 3/4 of an inch, providing a sturdy base that won't budge under pressure. Whether you're securing equipment, building materials, or any other cargo, this D-ring tie-down anchor handles the job with ease. Pairing this anchor with quality cargo straps or safety chains creates a secure system that protects your load and your vehicle. It's designed to be fast and easy to use after installation, making tie-downs quick and hassle-free. If you're serious about safety and want a dependable anchor point that won't fail you, this product is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values strength, reliability, and convenience, consider adding the CURT Weld-On D-ring tie-down anchor to your setup. It's a straightforward upgrade that makes a real difference in how you secure your cargo. Try it when you're ready to take your towing safety to the next level.